truck. Hey, who's on your shoes? Who is that? Is that Tinkerbell? Are you gonna tell me who's on your shoes? Hey, Mary, what do you got? You got a truck? Mary's got your truck. Yep, just a minute, Ella.